fever, dry cough, headaches, tiredness and muscle aches. Now, according to that, I am riddled with legionnaires disease because that is pretty much how I wake up every morning. However, oh, lovely. But I think that might need a little top up. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, hello there. Welcome to Driven at Tinker Time. I'm going to tell you something that they don't tell you what to do in the winter. A lot of people forget this. And I'll be honest with you, I used to as well. I used to never really bother with it until I suddenly realised or discovered the joys of a good quality screenwash. This isn't sponsored. I use Quantum. Actually, we got it from the garage. I use Quantum because it has got really, really good anti-freezing properties. Now, one thing that you forget... Oh, hello. Smash my ass against the bumper. Now, one thing we don't do, people don't use screenwash. Well, there's many types of screenwash on the market. You've got summer screenwash and winter. Forget the bloody summer screenwash, it's dog shit. Always go for the winter one. Now, I use Quantum, and they have a mixture for what they do. So they go for -5, 1 part screenwash, 5 parts water. For -10, 1 part screenwash, 1 part water. And for -15, just shove the whole thing in. So I've got a little mix here. I have no idea what I bloody mix it to, but I probably, to be honest with you, how I go, I'd probably go for almost -15. But always top up the screenwash. Now, how much am I putting in here? I'm putting 200 mils. 200 mils. It's like a whole cup of coffee. Whole cup of coffee in there. There we go, job done. Oh yeah, by the way, I lifted the bonnet of the Jazz. Boring. This is probably the only thing that you will ever lift the bonnet for a Honda Jazz on, is to put some... Oh, that screenwash does smell nice. Don't drink it, although it does smell nice. Bloody hell, you were quite empty, weren't you? There we go. Oh, half a litre. So yeah, so there we go. No, right? That's simple. Use quality screenwash, because then, during the winter, I mean, it's now -1 out. It's bloody cold. It's -3 this morning, and I went out to friends yesterday, and it was -3 all day, and screenwash works all the time. Now, this thing doesn't thingy. One thing, don't think, oh, I know what I can use. I can shove a bit of radiator antifreeze in there. It's not designed for screenwash, and it's probably a little bit oily, leaves your windscreen a bit smeary. No, it's quite important. And you look, I was watching the BBC and all that other stuff and motoring things, and they go, oh, you scrape the ice off the car and you take your snow off your roof. And you go, yeah. And make sure that you've got enough petrol and you've got your tyres and you've got blankets and drop drinks and all that stuff. No one ever remembers the little screenwash, because what do they put on the road in the winter? Salt. Where does that salt go? Onto your screen. What can't you see when your screen's like this? You just can't see out, can you? So, yeah. So you want a good quality screenwash to help keep your screen clean. And also, you can then frighten the shit out of people, because then you go, bzzz, clean screen. They go, oh, he's using water. It's witchcraft, because he's using water that's not frozen up. Because your water bottles, usually kept at the front of the car, usually freeze up. I used to use screenwash because I was like, no, I don't need that. And I'd end up buggering lots of motors. Because that's the other thing. And you can save yourself some pennies. Because if you put screenwash in there and you keep it topped up, it doesn't blow your motor up. Because the moment that freezes up and you go zzz, power goes to the motor and it just goes and it will break. So it'll cost you money, because then you've got to get someone who's got to take the headlight off or the bumper off to get to the bloody washer bottle and stuff, and it's a pain in the arse. So save yourself some money, quality screenwash, job done. Anyway, right. The other really, really important thing about adding screenwash, not for the fact it smells nice, actually that Quantum stuff does smell nice, don't drink it, it will kill you. However, it does protect against legionella disease, almost said it wrong then, legionella disease. Now that's a respiratory disease, and it basically buggers you up, and in 10 to 15 cases can be quite fatal. Now, I am at the demographic that is part of the fatal group, because it says here, it mainly affects people over 50 and is more common in men. So that's me. And symptoms for Legionella disease is fever, dry cough, headache, tiredness and muscle aches. Now, according to that, I am pretty much waking up with Legionella disease every bloody morning, because that is literally my morning routine. That is how I wake up. With fever, with the dry cough, with the headache, with the tiredness, the muscle aches. But there we go. And with Legionella disease, it says, is a rare but potentially fatal disease. As I've just said, 10 to 15 cases die. And it's basically pneumonia. Now, pneumonia, you might go, oh, it's just chest infection, I'll just get some antibiotics. Yeah. Have you contacted your doctor recently to try and get antibiotics or to try and see your doctor? No. There's a massive delay. So it could take you days before you get it. Sorry, the birds in this place are so bloody loud. And I've had to film this so many times because there's one that just flew over like a hurricane jump jet and I thought it was going to smash into the garage or smash into me. Anyway, so you try and get in your doctors. You can't. And you go, oh, I'll go to the local hospital. And you'll be in a stretcher for about 2 days because we've got all the other winter viruses that go on. So do you know what? Look after yourself. Prevent yourself from this. At least put some screenwash in your car. Anyway, I've rabbited on. I've said this so many times. My hands are oh God, my hands are really cold now. And I need to go inside. I need to have a bovril because I'm cold. Anyway, that's enough for me. So, there you go. Take care. See you soon. Oh, look, hold on. God, this engine is so boring. Oh, pardon me. Do you know, my neighbours must think I'm bloody lunatic. Go, post up, go on. Go, post up, go, post up, go, post. That was bullshit. That made you sound like an arsehole. Over 50, and it's more common in men. Noisy birds we have round here. I do apologise if all you hear is twerping. We get a lot of birds here. It's lovely, I have to say, it's lovely, this side of the south of the country. We do get a lot of birds. And I've just had to stop and do this again because I've just had one scream past me like a bloody hurricane jump jet. Sorry, it's so cold, my mouth isn't working. I'm going to kiss the car because it's warm. Oh, it's so warm in here. Anyway, so the other, oh God, fucking hell, turn the camera around, runny nose, itch. Do you know, I'm sitting out in the cold. I thought, I'll do a little thing to camera about screenwash. I'll only be out for 5 minutes, it won't take long. Sorry, I was talking about the birds. I've got Mrs. Blackbird there. What are you doing? Sorry, get easily distracted. Don't go in the garage. No, don't eat that because that's, no, don't go there because that's a rat trap. Sorry, in the country we get rats. I had one go in the bus and then made a complete mess. I'm frozen to the bone. I need to get my hot water bottle on. I'm old. I'm old. Oh, hello. I'm a demographic for Honda Jazz. Anyway, I'm a demographic for this bloody thing I'm about to tell you. This is in the extras because I've done the film a bit. And anyway, I was just reading this because I forgot to read this on the quantum screenwash. I get this from Volkswagen Group. Quantum, and I read something here. Quantum screenwash concentrate protects to minus 15 degrees Celsius for winter driving, and swiftly removes insects and grease encountered in summer driving, and contains additives which inhibit the growth of biofilms and bacteria, including Legionella, in the washer bottle. So there you go. Highly recommend Quantum. You buy it from Volkswagen Group. Brilliant. It does, do you know what? I'm going to be really naughty. I'm not drinking it, don't worry. Sorry, I'm not going to. Oh, do you know what? If this had scratch and sniff, I'd offer it up to the camera, but oh, that does smell nice. It's not too fruity. It's not, oh. Yeah, that's nice. That does smell really, really nice. Anyway, that's enough for me. Anyway, mind you go. Take care. See you soon. GoPro, stop recording.